Hello and welcome to this lesson where I'm going to be talking about what is your why. This video will help you when you feel the times that you want to give up because trading is hard, trading is challenging, trading is will almost break your soul. But that's a good thing because you need a why to continue for it, to continue to learning this skill because every endeavor you will have setbacks, you will have challenges, and your why shows you the direction to why you're doing this in the first place. So in this video, I'm going to share with you three things. I'm going to share why important, why most people lose their way, and why purpose creates discipline. So when we don't know where we're going, every path feels right. We find this other strategy. Oh, this is the way. We find another strategy. Oh, this is the way. And this is how they're risking. Oh, this is the way. Oh, a new prop firm opened up. Let's go to the new prop firm. Every path feels right, and then we get back to the place and we see what did we do? We didn't make any progress. We are just spinning around in circles because as soon as we choose another way, we go 3 steps, and then we go back and we choose another way. We get 2 steps, and then we go back and we take 5 steps. This is the way, and then we go back and then we go another way. We don't follow one path through enough. So why important? It gives us direction when things get hard, because it will get hard. That's a guarantee. I'll guarantee you that it will get hard. It will get hard. It keeps us focused when we want to quit. It keeps our focused when we want to quit. It reminds us why we started in the first place. Most people lose their way because they focus only on the money. I I get it that we want to learn the skill of trading because we want the benefits of the money and the freedom that it provides. But it needs to be more than only the money because that is where people quit. They forget their deeper reason. It has to be. It has to be a deeper reason than just I want to make money. It has to be because money is not that motivating for us because as soon as we get it, then what? They quit when results don't come fast. That's why most people quit. They want the results quick. They're not willing to put in the time to get the results, and they quit because the results didn't come quick enough. Let's say you reach the 10K, uh, 10K a month, right? You reach 10K a month. I'm using 10K, just it's a simple number to use. Let's say you reach 10K. You will lose it. You know why? Because you're not that kind of person that is can keep the 10K. Because you were just focused on getting the money. You were not focused on shifting your identity. You were not focused on doing it for a deeper reason than just 10K. And trust me, when you reach that 10K, when you reach that 15K, when you reach that 20K sometimes, right? It will not feel like anything because you know that it's not about the money. It wouldn't feel like you just climbed Mount Everest and you're standing and watching all the people down there. It will not feel that way. That's why we think it will feel, but it doesn't. It doesn't. It's not true. Why purpose creates discipline. When we act from mission instead of obsession, we have an intention where we're going. We're acting from our mission. This creates discipline because we know what we're going. We are taking control out of taking control of our life. We stay consistent after a loss and we build something long term. Because when you have the ability to trade, nobody can take it away from you. Nobody can take it away from you. You don't have to share it in a divorce, right? You don't have to give it to someone, right? Nobody can take it away from you. You go to prison. That's a weird example, but you go to prison, you still have that ability to trade. Nobody can take it away from you. The truth is, if your only reason is money, you will quit. We will quit because trading will test you and losses will come and doubt will come. And without a stronger why, we quit, right? So, the solution, what is the solution here? What is your why? And it can't be, I want to make money. For example, I'm just giving you some examples. I want the ability to I want the ability to generate my own income. I want to rely on myself to support for my family. I want to stand on my own 2 feet. I want to build a skill that nobody can ever take away from me. I want to become someone who can create value on demand. I want the freedom to choose how I live my life. I want to stop depending on a job or somebody else. I want to prove to myself that I can do this. And the real here is it has to matter to you. It has to matter to you. You know, my why, whatever my why is, I'm just thinking about it. Like I get emotional directly. Just thinking about what my why is because it's so important to me. It's so important to me. And my why grows the more I get it. The more I'm closer to it, it grows more. It's like concentric circles. I'm reaching the big ones and the big ones and the big ones and the big ones until the end of my life, at least. So it has to matter to you. It has to matter to you. And it can't be just money. And the stronger this becomes, the harder it is to quit, right? This is because it's identity based. It's who you become. Setting goals based on who you will become, there is value that lies in that. Why? Because it's not just outcome based. It's not just I'm doing this so I can get money. I'm doing this so I can get a car. I'm doing this so I can get a house. It's not outcome based. It's something you can't touch. That is it. That is the goal that you should aspire to be like. I want to become this kind of person who supports for their family. I want to become this kind of person so I can stand on my own 2 feet. And it creates long-term drive and it shifts your identity. So let's recap a bit. I talked about 3 things in this lesson about what is your why. I hope you think this through and just write a short sentence of what's your why. Like why are you doing this? We need a clear why to stay focused. We need a clear why to stay focused. I've talked about money alone is not enough as a why, and a strong purpose builds discipline because every step you're taking has a purpose because it's mission based. It's not obsession based that I want to make 10K a month or I want to win 50K a month. So lesson check in. Why did we start trading in the first place? Why did we start trading in the first place? Ask yourself. Like you're talking to yourself and you're dragging yourself out and looking at yourself. Ask yourself, why did you start trading in the first place? One sentence is enough. Feel free to share it below if you feel comfortable with that. As always, if you like this lesson, feel free to follow me on YouTube, Instagram, and in the school community. And I would love it if you commented on the YouTube videos down below so it will boost the algorithm even more. Comment, like, subscribe. I would love that. Talk to you in the next lesson. Have a great day.